I live in the UK. So I've turned my eye to the beam and the trailer arms. I'm just scraping off all the grease off them, and then all the sort of surface wax oil, cruddy, stuffy on them. Ideally I'm going to get a wire brush, probably on a drill, clean them a bit nicer. It's just literally just taking off, like, see this gooey stuff? I know it's probably helping it but stay rust free, but I just want them to be grinded back to a nice level, and see if there's any holes. I mean, there definitely isn't on this side. Let me just go look on the other side. So, see, the trailer arms are much greasier and covered in gunk on this side. I've seen a very thin couple of holes there, but like really, really thin. I'll do that on a low setting on my MIG welder. Then that's my intention, is to clean these up. And I mean, a stupid amount of grease, just, I know that the grease is probably helping, but ultimately once I've cleaned up either end of the front beam, I'm gonna grease it on its nipples, which I have done before. So that's where we are with it. Bit of scraping going on today. You can see where I've repaired it there. I thought I did quite a good job of. The main trunk of it is nice and solid. I don't think I'll scrape that because I think it's doing a good job there. So there we are. Thanks a lot.